California Life Insurance Quiz 2. Which of the following best describes the concept of risk? D. A possibility of a loss and uncertainty about whether it will occur. Which of the following characterizes a speculative risk? B. A possibility for loss or gain. Causes of loss are also known as D. Perils. If an insurance company doing business in your state has been incorporated under the laws of another state within the United States, it would be considered to be D. A foreign insurer. According to the law of large numbers, if large numbers of similar risks are combined in a group, future losses become more. D. Predictable. Which of the following types of insurance company is referred to as a participating company? B. A mutual insurer. Submitting premium payments promptly to the insurer is part of an agent's. C. Fiduciary responsibilities. A failure to disclose known facts would be an act of A. Concealment. Which of the following is a consumer publication that describes the type of coverage being offered and provides general information to help an applicant compare different policies? A. Buyer's Guide. The human value approach to determining insurance needs focuses mostly on D. An individual's future stream of income. A Social Security blackout period is the period of time D. After survivor benefits for the youngest child and before the surviving spouse becomes eligible for Social Security retirement benefits. Which of the following is provided by the Fair Credit Reporting Act? D. The requirement that an applicant for insurance be informed that a consumer report may be requested regarding his application. Which of the following is correct regarding the existence of insurable interest in a life or health insurance policy? B. Insurable interest must exist at the time of application. All of the following statements are correct regarding the completion of a life or health insurance application except C. The initial premium must be submitted to the insurer with the completed application. Which of the following most accurately defines a representation? C. A statement that is true to the best knowledge of the applicant. All of the following are primary sources of information available to a life or health insurance company's underwriting department concerning insurance applicants except C. Statement of good health. Mr. James borrows funds from a bank to make improvements to his home. The bank suggests that he purchase life insurance that will pay off his loan amount in the event of his premature death. Which of the following would best help him achieve this objective? B. Decreasing term. Which of the following statements regarding variable life universal insurance is correct? D. It offers a combination of investment options and a guaranteed death benefit. The contract which at issue provides the maximum amount of insurance protection at the lowest outlay of funds best describes. C. Term insurance. Credit life insurance protects. B. The lender. Which of the following is not one of the characteristics of a renewable term insurance policy? B. Premiums for a renewal policy cannot be increased. Which of the following characterizes a limited payment whole life insurance policy? D. It becomes a fully paid up policy prior to maturity. At what age of the insured would a whole life insurance policy reach maturity? C. At age 100. Which type of policy permits the policyowner to request changes in the face amount, premium payments, and/or type of protection during the policy term? A. Adjustable life insurance. How many months is the typical waiting period connected with the waiver of premium provision found in a life insurance contract? C. 6 months. The payer clause in a life insurance policy states that premiums will be A. Waived until the insured child reaches the age of majority. John Jones applies for a policy on September 1st. It is received by the underwriting department on September 5th, approved on September 7, and delivered to John on September 9th. The 10-day free look period would expire on B. September 19th. With life insurance, the form of assignment where all rights are transferred to another person is known as B. Absolute assignment. Gladys is the beneficiary of her husband Ben's life insurance policy. When Gladys dies, Ben neglects to name another beneficiary. At Ben's 5 years later, the proceeds of his insurance policy will be paid to A. Ben's estate. Ed has $50,000 life policy with cash value of $10,000. A $2,000 loan is outstanding. Ed finds he can no longer make premium payments on this policy. If Ed chooses the cash surrender value option, he will receive B. $8,000. For a life insurance policy, the least expensive mode of premium is D. Annual. All the following are types of non-forfeiture options except D. Fixed period. A customer funds an annuity with a lump sum and wants to receive income 3 years from now. She funded D. A deferred annuity. In which type of annuity contract is the interest rate tied to an index, that is S&P 500? B. Equity indexed. When an investor purchases a variable annuity, what does she receive in the separate account? B. Units. Mr. and Mrs. Jones are receiving a monthly annuity distribution of $1,000. If Mr. Jones dies and Mrs. Jones continues to receive the same amount, which payout option was selected? C. Joint life. Which of the following types of annuities provides guaranteed unit amounts rather than guaranteed dollar amounts? A. Variable. All of the following are true about an annuity except A. The annuitant shows proof of insurability. Who receives the benefit from an annuity? C. Annuitant. An immediate annuity must be purchased with which of the following premiums? A. Single. In a contributory plan, what percentage of employees must participate in the plan before a policy will be issued? A. 75%. A group life insurance plan where employer pays the entire cost is known as B. A non-contributory plan. Which of the following affects the deductibility of contributions made to a traditional IRA? D. Whether or not the IRA owner participates in a qualified employer plan. QO plans are designed for and available to D. A self-employed professional. All of the following statements regarding Roth IRAs are true except A. The mandate distributions no later than age 70 and 1/2. Which of the following statements concerning split dollar life insurance is correct? C. It is useful to the key employee who needs protection but has insufficient funds to meet his needs. Premiums paid on an individual life insurance policy are generally A. Not deductible. All of the following types of plans are reserved for small employers except C. 401ks. Misrepresenting an insurance policy for the purpose of inducing a policyholder to lapse, forfeit, or surrender existing insurance is an illegal practice. B. Twisting. If an act or practice appears to be unfair or deceptive, but there is no specific California citation prohibiting it, the Commissioner D. May call for a hearing in the matter. What is the maximum obligation of the life and health insurance Guarnatee fund for all the benefits payable upon any one life? C. 250,000.